In the previous video, we learnt about the histology of tongue and in specific the structure of fungiform and filiform papillae. In this video, we will learn more about the histology of circumvallate papillae. This is sagittal section of the tongue showing the circumvallate papilla. Circumvallate papilla can be seen when the section of the tongue is taken close to sulcus terminalis. As we can see in this field, circumvallate papilla are the largest of the lingual papilla. They are about 8 to 12 in number and are arranged as a single row parallel to the sulcus terminalis. Why exactly it is called as circumvallate papilla? When this papilla is viewed from above, each papilla appears round, measuring about 1 or 2 millimeters in diameter and is surrounded by a deep trench and a mucosal elevation by the side referred to as vallum. Hence, it is referred to as circumvallate papillae. The structure of circumvallate papilla can be compared to a castle which is surrounded by a moat filled with water. If we enlarge the view in coronal section, these papilla appear mushroom shaped with a narrow base and a broad apex. As we can see, the circumvallate papilla are covered by stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. Peculiarity of these papilla are their wall contain numerous taste buds. Close to the vallum, we have plenty of small serous glands referred to as von Ebner's glands, which open into the base of the sulcus. The secretions of these glands are crucial in flushing out the material from the moat or the trench to allow the taste buds to respond to new stimuli. This is regarding the structure of circumvallate papilla. Now let's try to appreciate the structure of taste buds. These are the taste buds which are situated within the wall of circumvallate papilla. This is a taste bud. Taste buds are small barrel-shaped structures which are innervated by gustatory nerves or nerves carrying taste. Taste buds are not just present in circumvallate papillae, they are also found in the fungiform papillae. The number is less, but they are also found in fungiform papillae. Apart from the lingual papillae, they can be found extending into the entire dorsal surface of the tongue, the lateral margin of the tongue, and they are also found in the mucosa of epiglottis and soft palate. Based on their location, they make synaptic contact with 3 different cranial nerves. For example, if the taste buds are located in the anterior 1/3 of the tongue, the gustatory nerve carrying taste is chorda tympani. If the taste buds are located within the circumvallate papilla or the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, the gustatory nerve which carries taste is glossopharyngeal. If the taste buds are present in the posterior most part of the tongue, including the vallecula, the soft palate and the epiglottis, the gustatory nerve here is the internal laryngeal branch of vagus nerve. Even though taste buds are widely distributed in the dorsal surface of the tongue and surrounding structure, they are most numerous in the circumvallate papilla. Each circumvallate papilla on an average has about 250 taste buds. Each taste bud appear as a pale staining barrel-shaped body that extends throughout the thickness of the epithelium. Close to the epithelium, they have a small opening which is referred to as the taste pore or the gustatory pore. Each taste bud is made up of 3 types of cells: neuroepithelial, basal and supporting cells. Neuroepithelial sensory cells are the most numerous cells in the taste bud. These cells are identified by typical large round nucleus. At the base, usually they form synaptic contact with the gustatory nerve. Of course, in this slide, we cannot see the section of these gustatory nerves. Supporting cells are these cells which are scattered between the sensory cells. As the name suggests, they provide structural support to the neuroepithelial sensory cells. The third type of cells are basal cells. Now these are small cells situated at the base of the taste bud. They act as stem cells and help in giving rise to other 2 types of cells of the taste buds. This is regarding the structure of taste bud. To quickly summarize, circumvallate papilla are the largest papilla present in the tongue in front of sulcus terminalis. Each papilla, when viewed from above, appears round, surrounded by a trench or moat. The characteristic feature of circumvallate papilla is presence of vellum surrounding the papillae and then presence of taste buds within the wall of the papillae. Each papilla contains about 250 taste buds, and each taste bud is a barrel-shaped body which extends through the thickness of the epithelium and is made up of three types of cells: neuroepithelial, supporting, and basal cells. This is regarding the structure of circumvallate papillae. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like, post your doubts in the comment section, share and subscribe. Thank you.